I'm Emad, professor at University of Southern Denmark, and I'm here today to test the Drones4Safety project outcomes. So here we are a team from SDU coming to fly a drone autonomously, looking for defects, and then after we send the recorded film to our project partner Del Air.
Today we are here at the Aarhus Letbane and we'll be flying this particular drone, hopefully autonomously, along these lines up here to film the lines themselves and also the rails for doing AI inspection later on. My supervisor Emad, he got the idea for Drones4Safety because of a bridge collapse in Italy a few years back. And this was mainly caused by poor maintenance and inspection of the bridge. And so by using drones like these and other similar drones, we would potentially be able to continuously inspect any kind of infrastructure.
So the technology here will going to speed up the inspection process. Imagine in the future a small sized drone, like half kilogram, can fly for half an hour autonomously around the railway lines, taking pictures, and then there is a computer scanning the pictures and finding the defects. This drone is going to land on a nearby power line, so can recharge and then fly again for another half an hour.
The aim of Drones4Safety is related to its previous project, Drones4Energy, in that we want to create drones that can alleviate some of the pains we have today when we see the current state of infrastructure inspection.
The way that the railway is maintained is normally by a lift and guys going up in the lift, checking the catenary wire each year to make sure that it's not torn or there's any imperfections or things that could stop the running. Having people going is a resource, and this resource can be used in a much more reliable way.
The game today is to try first time autonomous drone in the railway lines and let them film and send data to an AI technique to do the human work that takes days and nights looking for cracks, defects and faults in the railway lines.
The hope is that the drone will actually tell us where to go so that we can do a more preventive maintenance and actually say, okay, this is the spot we need to focus on. We don't need to focus on the whole line. These are the areas that we need to focus on.
So we can see that to be a full ecosystem of drones flying around railways, could be bridges, could be power lines, acquiring pictures, analyzing the pictures on a big server, and then if there is any defects, it sends back to the operators to come and check and fix this specific defect. That means in the future the system could be offered to the railway operators to make the inspection cheaper, also more accurate and also more frequent.